Hello learner, in the previous lecture of the module, we have completed media interview. We have also completed interview for print media and electronic media separately. In addition, we have also explained preparations have to be made before conducting media interview. We have also explained process of conducting a media interview and what kinds of precautions which are followed during organizing an interview. Furthermore, we have discussed summarizing interview and writing interview report for print media and electronic media as well. In this lecture of the module, we will discuss meaning and definition of features. We will also discuss structure of feature articles. Furthermore, we will discuss various types of features like news feature, special feature, personality feature, interview feature, background feature, investigative feature, and so on. In addition, we will also discuss characteristic of features. We will also discuss writing process of feature article in detail. After completion of media interview, you will be able to understand meaning and definition of feature article. You will also able to understand structure of feature article. Furthermore, you will also able to explain various types of features like news feature, special feature, personality feature, and interview features in detail. In addition, you will also able to explain characteristic of feature articles and writing process of feature in detail. Let us start with explaining feature article. A journalist is a person who collects, edits, and presents facts or events in a popular way without any attempt at interpretation. He has an important role to play in the print media. Apart from the news items he presents, the print media also carries other pieces of writing which are creative and interpretative. In addition to being factual, such writing is covered by the terms features or feature articles. A feature article, even if it is factual, differs from a straight news article in three ways. It gives background and analysis about the topic or issue. It has a strong emotional or human interest appeal, and it carries the stamp, both creative and interpretative, of the writers. Feature articles are also considered as soft news. They are usually published with the byline. It covers topic in depth and provide deep background information of the personality, events, places, and issues in the news format. Feature articles need more time and research to collect evidences in order to draw conclusion and to point out significance. These stories are popular content element of newspapers, magazines, blogs, websites, television, radio, and other media platforms. Simply, a feature can be defined as anything that is not news. However, a feature article is also a type of journalistic writing that entertains and informs. If you are to write a feature for the newspaper, remember that number A, it should be written in the form of a story. Number B, its subject should be of a specific interest. Number C, it should express feelings and emotions more than facts, that is opinions. Number D, it should be written in an informal style. Statistical details should come after the main story. And number E, it should be in an area where you yourself have some level of expertise. Structure of feature article. A feature is not written in the inverted pyramid format. It has a beginning, a middle, and and end. If a feature is cut from the back, it will leave the story hanging in the air and leave the reader to reach on the conclusion. A feature is structured more like the advanced pyramid of pyramids story, structure which we looked at in the introduction to advanced technique. Link like that a complex news story. The subject matter of the feature is divided up into separate pieces, each of which is told completely before moving on to the next. There is a difference between a feature and a pyramid of pyramids news story, though there is no reason why the pieces in a feature should each be structured as a mini inverted pyramid, and there is no reason why the most newsworthy piece should be told first and the least newsworthy last. Sometimes in a feature you will wish to deal with one piece of the story first to make sure that the reader understand all the issues involved before moving on to a more important part of the story. This is perfectly acceptable. A feature is like a necklace, and each piece of the story is like a cluster of beads. Just as a necklace would not look attractive if the biggest bead was put on first, followed by the next biggest down to the smallest. So the parts of a feature do not seem right when they are written as mini inverted pyramids. Use each paragraph like a bead, thread on the paragraph or two of descriptive writing, followed by a paragraph of argument. Then thread on a few paragraphs of quotes, some from one side of the debate, some from other side, with one bead in between them. A paragraph introducing the second speaker. This cluster of beads will have told one part of the story. Types of feature. Number 1. News feature. Such features originate from and are based on important news happening involving VIPs or notorious criminals, influential persons. The Hindu specializes in such features. Its recent news features are Odisha triple train crash accident. The Hindu published a feature article titled Odisha train accident safety derailed. At the heart of Indo-US tie economics and strategy, jailing of leaders, other state politicians of non-BJP supporters and former IAS officers are some examples. Number 2. Special event features. India holding G20 summit, Maharashtra organizing annual session of the 108th Indian Science Congress, India hosting the UNESCO annual meet, or Narendra Modi Stadium being the venue of final match IPL would be deemed as a special event. Everything connected with these events would form excellent theme for a feature. Number 3. Personality feature. Doing a personal profile of the President of America, Joe Biden, visiting India for the first time after his appointment, or writing about the US President's journey to the American White House could be good subject under this head or profile of writers. Number 4. Interview feature. Talking to RRR film director S.S. Rajamouli after winning Oscar for original music score for the song Nato Nato and his lifelong achievements as a film director. Tracing his early career years can be an ideal topic for an interview features. Also, stories like speaking to 13-year-old youngest Indian and youngest female Malavath Purna who reached Mount Everest would also be an excellent idea for such a feature story. Number 5. How to features. Such features are written for guiding users on how to operate or handle sensitive, costly equipment, doing hazardous experiment, or executing dangerous jobs. The purpose is to instruct the user step by step, operation by operation for performing the activity or accomplishing a tedious job expected from the gadget or equipment. Number 6. Background feature. Doing a report on an accident that may be connected with an old historical or accident event. When the clock tower in Delhi's Chandni Chowk fell down several years ago, many newspapers wrote detailed pieces on its background. Similarly, when the Indian Science Congress holds its annual session, readers would like to learn about its history, functions, achievements, etc. These tidbits can form highly readable background features. Number 7. Investigative features. Investigating the criminal career of the Atiq Ahmed and his brother and their associates can be an investigative feature. Probing the causes of communal flare-ups in different parts of Uttar Pradesh would be good subject for investigative features. Number 8. Color features. These features are generally written on the subjects of which the authors have deep knowledge and thorough understanding besides adequate writing for features article command of the language. Often these topics tend to be light, more descriptive with frequent creative play on the words, capturing the mood of special occasions such as fair, holiday session with happiness and birth, flirting around. Article published during Valentine week are examples of color features. Number 9. Adventure feature. Remember 13-year-old youngest Indian and youngest female Malavath Purna who have climbed the Mount Everest. Hers was a unique feat and that form a subject for an adventure feature. In this category also included are first time travels to tough, high hazardous, frightening region of Asia, Africa, Antarctica, etc. Number 10. Opinion feature. Such pieces are usually based on expertise or research and with the single aim of expressing personal views on a crucial subject. That person's findings should have, however, weigh heavily in the concerned circles. Historian Irfan Habib on Nehru-Jinnah connections. India's former foreign secretary's view on Sino-Indian border dispute, or US role in the Middle East, or Chinese activities in the Southeast Asia. US former Secretary of State advocating a permanent membership for India in the UN Security Council come under this category. Human interest feature. Arunima, a young sports girl who lost her leg in a rail accident. Her aim was to climb each of continent highest peak and hoist the national flag of India. She has already done 7 peaks until 2014. Or Sushil Kumar, a high school pass out government clerk winning 5 crore rupees in the television show Kaun Banega Crorepati, would be most readable feature stories. Number 12. Development feature. As you would have understood, development communication is an integral part of modern days. Media research and education development stories from remote areas, far distance places could present fascinating account and be interesting feature reflecting the progress of ordinary people. Characteristic of the feature story. A feature story is a creative, sometimes subjective article designed primarily to entertain and to inform readers of an event, a situation, or an aspects of life. There are following some of the most important characteristics of feature articles or stories. Number 1, they usually do not follow an inverted pyramid style of writing. Number 2, feature stories are descriptive and full of detail. Number 3, feature stories generally have a strong narrative line. Number 4, feature stories have a strong lead that grabs readers and makes them want to read on. Number 5, feature stories often depend on interviews. Number 6, feature stories include quotations from the persons involved in the stories. Number 7, feature stories combine facts and opinion with a focus on the human interest side of the story. While they can report news, the news content is not of primary importance. Number 8, feature stories both educate and entertain people. They can include colorful detail as well as humor. Number 9, feature stories contain the voice of writers. Number 10, feature stories can be organized in a variety of ways, that is chronological or narrative fashion. Number 11, feature stories often put the meat on the skeleton bones of a news story. Process of writing feature articles. Number 1, decide topic. Be clear in your mind about what issues constitute a feature and what topic you will be going to write about. For young people, sports, pop stars, musician, film, fashion, adventure and travelogue should interest as you also the readers. If you are grown up, politics, social issues, finance, health system, profile of writers, politicians, spiritual leaders, businessmen and motivational speakers, gardening, environment, food, law and order, legal system, defense and security would be good topic for writing feature articles. Number 2, read other profile. To know how to write a profile or feature, read how other writers do it. Find features profile in newspapers, magazine and websites. Look for what information the writer presents about their subjects. At the end of the piece, see if you have any lingering questions about the person to make sure you fill those gaps in your own story. Number 3, do some paperwork. When you know who the subject of your piece is, start doing some paperwork. Research the person. If they are well known, it will be easy to find information online. It is important to use a reputable website in order to find accurate information. This will also save you your effort when you or an editor fact checks the article before it is published. The second part of your paperwork will be writing out the questions you want to ask your subject. After doing your research and have read other articles, ask questions other writers have not asked yet. Number 4, create an outline. Divide your feature into 3 parts, that is beginning, middle and end. Beginning include headline and intro. In the feature, the headline and intro should be attractive enough to grab attentions of the readers. Use bullet points to highlight the main points you want to make in your article. You should also figure out the angle of your story. When a journalist writes a story, they have some kind of news angle to their piece, a focus that pulls the article together This will help you determine what information you need to find out from your subject. Number 5. Chronological order. Put all information in chronological order. Write like a thread, and sentences should relate to previous sentences. Introduction, body and conclusion must be interlinked with each other. Number 6. Interview your subject or relevant people. When you write a profile, you will meet with your subject and interview them at least once, but usually several times for a big feature story. Be prepared with your questions, but also be ready to follow the natural flow of the conversation. Ask questions during your meeting that you think readers will want to know. Pose questions that will encourage your subject to tell a story. Number 7. Observe your subject in their environment. When you are writing a profile of somebody, you need to spend time with them on their turf. Your profile piece should capture them in their environment and allow readers to see their world. If you are writing about a musician, you might meet them at home, but also go to the studio with them to watch how they compose a song. Make several trips to become acquainted with your subject. It might take a lot of time for them to let their guard down and be themselves around you. Number 8. Start with a strong lead. As you gather your information and write your feature, you must start strong your opinion line and paragraphs. That is, lead needs to capture the reader's attention. You are writing the sense for your article and creating a first impression of the topic. So make sure you hook your reader from the start. Number 9. Incorporate direct quotes. While you are crafting this piece with your own words, you need to show your subject's point of view. Quote them extensively in this piece. As a general rule of thumb, try to use a few quotes for every topic you cover in the features. It can be a good idea to let your subject have the last word and end with a quote. On top of the subject's quotes, you will be interviewing others who know this persons, like friends, family and associates. Their stories can contribute interesting information to your piece. Number 10. Reveal new information. Write a unique, great profile that gives the reader a fascinating takeaway about the persons. If you are writing about someone famous, they have most likely been interviewed before. Find additional information that has not been published that makes them more compelling to your readers and gives your story a unique approach. If you have crafted great questions, you will be able to uncover fascinating information about your subject's life. Number 9. Show, don't tell. Many profile articles will include the writer's experience of meeting their subject and conducting the interview. In the case, you will write the story in first person, including yourself in the narrative. Describe experience using sensory detail of the person and their environment. Capture what the person is like in real life to let readers feel like they know this person. Number 12. Write keeping in the mind audience. Write exactly what you have experienced. Think as an audience, not expert, and explain the whole event like a narration. Number 13. Be accurate. You must check and double check facts while treating delicate subject like rituals and customs, fairs and festivals in regard to their correct nomenclature and correct dates, etc. Number 14, makeup. Use illustrations, photographs, diagrams and sketches to make it visually attractive and support the text of the cultural feature. Number 15, the ending. A news story can end anywhere after the most important things have been mentioned, but a feature story has to be ended in a specific manner. Features have to end in such a way that the reader feels satisfied for having kept on reading. The feature ending is more like a reward to the readers. Number 16, language. Use language to suit your topic. If you are discussing a performing art like dance, use words and expressions that belong to this art or genre. If writing of music, let your terminology flow like the notes and so on. Let your sentences be simple but meaningful. Coin your own phrases to express your thoughts rather than formal and stilted. So, learners, with this we have completed the meaning and definition of features. We have also completed the structure of the feature articles. Furthermore, we have learned various types of feature like news features, special features, personality features, interview features, background features, investigative features and so on. In addition, we have also discussed characteristics of features articles and the writing process of feature articles in detail. Now, it's time to check your progress level. Write down the following questions and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. To assess your learning level, we are providing you short as well as long questions. Give answer of the short questions. Number 1. Feature articles are also known as. Number 2. Give an example of an event feature article. Number 3. If you are making blueprint of a feature, in how many parts you will divide your features. Number 4. Personality feature tells the story of a. Number 5. What is the first step to write a feature article? Number 6. Soft stories which express feelings and emotions more than facts is called. Give answer of the long questions. Number 1. What is a feature? Discuss the process of writing feature articles. Number 2. What is a feature? Discuss the characteristic of a feature. Number 3. In which structure a feature article should be written? Discuss it in detail. Number 4. What is an adventure feature? Discuss the writing process of the adventure feature. Number 5. What is the investigative feature? Discuss writing process of the investigative feature. Number 6. What is a news feature? Discuss the writing process of the news feature. Number 7. What is a special feature? Discuss writing process of the special feature. Number 8. What is interview feature? Discuss the writing process of the interview feature. Number 9. What is color feature? Discuss the writing process of the color feature. Number 10. What is the development feature? Discuss the writing process of the development feature. Number 11. What is the opinion feature? Discuss the writing process of the opinion feature. Number 12. What is a human interest feature? Discuss the writing process of the human interest feature.